So this is winter. Snow, snow, and more snow.
This is my daily morning walk, and this is what I have to contend with. Ice, 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 ice. Ice, ice, baby. I have to crunch and get through it. Salt was sprinkled, but this is winter, and we are expecting more snow, like all of the US is getting. Snow, ice, sleet, you name it. This is it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. But I'm bundled up. I have my gloves, one of my many winter hats. I have to watch how I walk on this ice, of course. And my nose is super runny. Oh man, but it's my daily routine, getting exercise. But guess what? I forgot my Fitbit this morning. Totally forgot my Fitbit this morning, but it's all good. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna take my time and get through all this ice, and then I'll catch y'all on the flip side when I'm on the main road. Ice, ice, baby. It's cold. Baby, it's cold outside. It's 14 degrees. Real feel. Ready for this? -1. It's cold. I greased my lips 3 times already. And I can't go in my pocket to grease my lip again. That's how cold it is. Yep, my hands are numb. See how red they are? And I have my gloves on. So I have some more walking to do. I have a long way to go. And as you could see, the sidewalks, there's no sidewalks. There are no sidewalks. And the snow has been shoveled up to the point where uh, there's no way to walk. Now, all that's ice. All this is ice. So I have to figure out which route I'm taking that's easier for me to walk through. And yeah, look at this. See this? Hard ice, shoveled and freezed over and all of that. You could break something trying to walk through this. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I could step down here before more traffic comes. Oh my goodness. It's winter, but I love it. I like the cold. Hate sweating. My nose is numb. Oh, and it's burning. The cold gets up in your nostril. Ooh wee. And do a piece of work on your sinus. I'm at the half point. I wouldn't call it the half point. So I came from thus far. I wouldn't call this the half point, but I'm at the half point. I still can't see the other side of the hill. Oh, see, I can't walk on the sidewalk. There's really no sidewalk, but I still can't walk on there. You could see the curve, and that's private property. See, they salted their driveway, their walkway, and that's usually where I will walk and go down, but at this point I can't. And there's traffic coming up, so I have to watch out. Look at the pond. There's a little pond right there, iced over. Look at that. The whole USA is going through an Arctic freeze. Me just halfway my journey. I have all that way to go, and I hate this hill. The bench has snow all over it, so snow everywhere. Look at that. Icy. But I love winter. The air is not thick, it's thin, it's just fresh, you could breathe. Oh, take that in. Wow. Like I said, I don't like sweating, so it feels good. Once I get dressed and I'm in the house, I'm dying to come out. Why? Because I'm already dressed in warm clothes. I'm layered up. I'm bundled up. I'm ready to go outside. I'm sweating. By the time I hit the house, there's going to be sweat all over me. But that's winter. And I'm taking it all in. All right. Let me show y'all how far I've gotten. I came from there. Yeah. And I still got that much to go. And I go all the way around and up another hill. But that's my daily exercise routine. Unless it's really bad out here in terms of snow or it's raining. I don't do it on weekends though. No. All right, guys. So I'm gonna continue to mow it up this hill. My bench is frozen over. This would be my halfway point rest stop, so to speak. But look at it. It's no use to me. Oh dear. Yeah. Usually take me 15 minutes. Took me a whole half an hour this morning. Wow. See there? From all the way down there, sir. And this is my last hill. The snow, work your legs. Because it takes work to plow through it. And going uphill at the same time. Yeah. I do this twice a day. Summertime, if I can. Because like I said, I don't like the heat. Whew. All right, I'm done with that hill. Whew. I'm almost there. Oh my goodness. Whew. I know I burned a lot of calories this morning. I totally forgot my Fitbit to count my steps and calories burned. K-cals, as they call them. Oh boy. I made it. I'm gonna go in, make me a nice strong cup of coffee, and warm up. Like and subscribe, people. Plenty more to come. Catch you later.